A tornado warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for western Bennett County. At 4:46 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located approximately 2 miles southwest of Allen at 4:42 p.m., moving southeast. The tornado may be currently rain-wrapped and difficult to see. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and golf ball-size hail. A tornado has been. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Martin around 5:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Bennett, South Dakota. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 479, effective until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following areas in South Dakota: Bennett, Butte, Custer, Fall River, Hawken, Harding, Jackson, Lawrence, Meade, Oglala, Lakota, Pennington, Perkins, and Phoeba. And the following areas in Wyoming: Campbell, Cook, Niobrara, and Weston. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Oglala, Lakota County in southwestern South Dakota, southeastern Pennington County and west central South Dakota until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles east of Badlands National Park, or 43 miles southwest of Phillip, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include scenic, Northern Badlands National Park, Sheep Mountain Table, Delta 9 Missile Silo, and Pinnacles Ranger Station. This includes Interstate 90 in South Dakota between mile markers 114 and 118. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas in South Dakota, eastern Pennington, and Oglala, Lakota. The current time is 4:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time.